Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can use the Roblox Account Manager on your PC. So first you need to just download it and just install it. Open up your any browser. There in the Google search box just type the Roblox Account Manager and just search for it. Now open up the first website which is github.com. Just open it, scroll down, you will see the option of the download. Just click on that. And if you don't find it, click on the Roblox Account Manager in the releases the right hand side. Scroll down in the assets, you will see the zip file of the Roblox account manager. Once it was downloaded, just drag and drop into your desktop, and then you just need to right click on anywhere, then go to the new, simply click on the folder. Here you can just name it the Roblox account manager. Then you just need to right click on your zip file, then just simply click on the extract files. Then here you just need to select the folder you recently created. So once you select it, click on the OK and all the files is extracted. Then you just need to open it, open up the Roblox account manager. So once you open the account manager, click on the gear icon and make sure the multi Roblox is checked. And once you check this box, you just need to click on the third settings you are seeing here, and you can also unlock FPS or you can also max FPS settings on this. So once you set this, now you can add the accounts. Click on the add account option you are seeing here. Then the new page was open. Here you just need to give your login details. Click on the password, simply give your password, click on the login, and your account was added. You can add the 2 accounts, 3 accounts, 4 accounts, and the multiple accounts here. So once you added your multiple accounts on your Roblox account manager, you just need to select the game that you want to play on the accounts. Open up your Roblox home and then just simply select the game. So I can just select this Adopt Me, and then just simply you can just copy the ID you are seeing on the top like so you can just right click on the ID, just simply click on the copy. So this is the game ID. Then you can simply place, you can paste in the place ID you are seeing here. Then now it will detect the game like the Adopt Me you are seeing on the top. And then you just need to select the Roblox account, then just simply click on the join server. Then just select the account, click on the join server, and then just simply select the account, click on the join server, and the Adopt Me was opened on your multiple accounts in one PC. And you can also open up the multiple accounts of the one game like Adopt Me, and you can also play the multiple games. And guys, if you find this video helpful, so please make sure you like this video, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.